Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the third Honda video on my channel. I think we're gonna switch from Jeep to Honda content. So right here we have what year is this? You 90. Tell me. 90? This is a 90 CRX, the HF model. Has the SI wheels. What else?
SI wheels.
It's lowered too, right?
It's lowered, yeah.
What does it have? eBay?
Check out the suspension. I think it's straight eBay.
Straight eBay.
But the shocks are legit.
Oh, the shocks are good?
Yeah.
Skunk too.
You wanna check out, oh, can you show them the wheels?
Yeah, I already got the wheels. Let's see the inside. To me on the CRX, what matters is the inside. It's hard to find, you know, a CRX intact. And look at this one.
Check out that thermostat.
In the back. The what?
JDM seats.
Oh, these JDM seats right here. Straight from AutoZone. Alright, so what are we doing to it today?
We're gonna put some mud guards on
the rear. They're over here.
Straight from Amazon Honda.
They're actually Honda, yeah. So we're gonna put those on and then we're gonna take it for a little rip and see how she does. So I've never driven one of these and I really like them. I'm a big fan. One day I'll have one, one day. But since I don't, you better let me drive it.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
All right, so let's get started.
Is that the right one?
Yeah, that's the right side.
We can secure this one.
So we have to take off the wheel to put the third one?
Yeah.
Great. The guy said these are skunk 2s, but we're not sure. Do you think they're skunk 2s?
I don't know, let me see.
No way.
I don't see a pretty sticker.
No, those look like eBay. It's okay, it still rides, right? It still goes.
Hey bro, I think you need new bushings.
Where?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, it is like a 30-year-old car, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure.
Dude, check out this exhaust though.
The exhaust. What do you have under there?
Flow by Flowmaster. What's up? Damn, look at this shit.
They actually put money into this.
Yeah.
So the third hole, I'm guessing it's this screw here, and then these two. But this should be an easy install. So that's it. It was literally like a 2-minute install. The hardest part was taking off the wheel, but all it is a screw there, a screw down there, and a screw in there too. But that's it. Damn, look at that. We'll get that once we go up the mountain. Dude, it's a beautiful day today. Look at this. And they want to quarantine us? Fuck that.
Hell yeah.
Alright, so that was super easy. And look how clean it looks. I actually think it looks good on this car. Honestly, I thought it was going to look cheesy, but it's not bad. And they say Honda on the back. So I'll have a link to these down below in the description. They're like 30 bucks on Amazon. Not too bad. Go spice up your CRX. Fuck it up, Chris. Guys, look at this. There's a fucking wood screw in there. Who'd you buy this from? Someone in San Bernardino?
In LA.
In LA. A wood screw.
Wow.
Alright, let's get this thing on. So he's letting me drive it. I don't know why, but we're gonna take it for a spin. And he says it sounds good on startup, so let's see. Cold start?
Cold start.
Oh yeah. Magnaflow? Or what did you say, Han?
Flow.
Flow? Bro, I think you need to fix your steering wheel. It's a little off.
Oh yeah.
I'm not too good with the stick shift, but I can get by. Dude, that's not bad. That is not bad.
Dude, I think the mud flaps added like 50 more power.
Not bad. It feels comfortable too. I'm 6 feet tall and I feel comfortable in this. Third gear, no power. No, it's not bad in first and second gear, but yeah. What do you think? What do you like your car?
Dude, I love this car. I used to have a Del Sol and I would not go back. And look, no lights on.
No, like no check-in. It's beautiful right now with all the clouds. Look at that. Yo, check out the dash on this though. It's like mint. Everything in here is mint. It's crazy.
Even like the little levers have all the paint on them too. With all the
yeah. There's been a lot of butterflies out today, and look, we caught one. They're all those orange ones. I don't even know what.
Monarchs?
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Monarchs? Yeah, they're all over the place right now.